Welcome, you guys are new to your channel. Don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, subscribe. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make $500 to $600 per day trading stock options. So I'm doing the stock option for next week, so you guys can see the process that I go actually choosing my stocks, my options for today. Okay, so let me break it down a little bit. Stock option, I mean, there's two ways. You have puts and calls. Calls mean that you wishing that the coin, like the price is gonna go up, and puts mean the price is gonna go down. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. This is the safest way you can make a lot of money risking less money. Okay, right now I actually went online, right, figure out why it went down, and I went online, figure out why it went down, and I do a little bit of research. Most people fail because they did not do their research, and they just basically gamble. They basically gamble with their money. They basically put their money and hopefully it goes up. You don't do that. You basically do a little research and do a 50-50 risk. Okay, this where you do this where you're gonna win regardless. Okay, for example, I have $20. Let's say for example I have $20, right? I'm going on stock options, and I know the highs it was being at. I'm going to go like a month away from here. I know the highs it was being was at $131. That's the highs it was at yesterday. Okay, $131. It crashed today due to the earnings. Okay, so this one I'm going to do. I'm going to go on stock options. Okay, stock options. So I'm trying to show you guys the process I'll go about for next week, so you guys can have a bigger idea. So I'm gonna put stock option on calls and puts. So if go down, I will still make money. If it goes up, I make money at the same time. But think about it, I have 7 days to make money. 7 days, which I think in one day you're gonna make money regardless. Okay, you're gonna make $300 to $400, maybe $500 to $1,000. I may actually make $1,000 in one day trading Microsoft. So for example, I'm gonna go my process. So what I do, I figure out that it probably have potential to go way more down than this. I have potential to go way more up than this. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm basically gonna I figure out the price that it can probably go to like 130. Okay, that's the highest. So I'm gonna put it at right here 128. Okay, just say 128. But think about it, when you actually do this, you don't actually think the coin probably gonna reach your, like, it might probably reach your price that you actually put, but if you, it doesn't have to move that much to make a lot of money. For example, I'm gonna put a call on this one. So I'm gonna reach $10. $10 is not that much, and I'm probably gonna get, if it goes up to my stuff, I can make $1,000. Okay, and this thing about this coins, this stocks, they can probably go up pretty easy in one day. So I tell people out there, make sure you wake up every morning. In the morning, do morning and figure out the pre-market. Wake up in the morning before the stock market open, and actually figure out what's going on with it. Okay, for example, I'm gonna do a little bit right here. I'm gonna do $10 today. I'm gonna do $10. I'm willing to risk $10, which is not that bad. Okay, I'm gonna risk $10 to make $1,000. So I'm going to put around $20 down. So I have more than that. So I'm gonna put $20. So I'm gonna reach $20 to make, if it goes up to the value that I wanted to, I can make around $2,000 to $3,000 in one day. Okay, but I'm gonna put one. Okay, just to show you guys a little bit of stuff. It expire February 10th, which is probably next week Friday. Okay, expire February 10th. So I'm gonna do a review, right? And I'm gonna pay it. It'll require me a little bit of dough. Little stuff, don't steal my stuff, but I did it right there, done. Okay, and this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a puts. Okay, and this is where you basically now going from 50-50 to 100%. So this one doesn't matter anywhere that the trade swings, right? If you swing up, you're gonna make money because you put a call option. If it goes down, you're still gonna make money because you put a puts. Okay, but think about it, you have 7 days to lose that much money. Okay, that's not that bad. Okay, for example, let's go right here. I know it's at 99 cents, right? Let's do 99 cents. Let's do it real quick. And I'm gonna do a puts for next week. Okay, puts. And I think you might probably just say like next week you went up to. I'm gonna do a little bit of puts on that. I'm not willing to bet that much on it. So just say it went to. I'm gonna do around $80. So I'm probably gonna risk. I'm probably gonna risk around. Let me see what I'm willing to risk. So you guys, I'm gonna show you guys a bigger idea on it. You know, on this one, their puts is pretty high, so I'm not gonna go on this one. So I'm probably gonna go on the next one. Okay, show you guys. This is BL.com. I already do a call option on it. So other one, you just keep looking around for stocks. Think about it. What the highest I can lose? $10. What is $10, guys? Not that much. So this is where you actually make more money. So I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna go on Nordstrom. Nordstrom, I know it went down it went up almost $9. So it went almost $1, like $4 today. So let me do a little research about it. Nordstrom, figure out Nordstrom stocks. Same people out there, do a little research. Do not gamble with your money. I call it gamble if you just blindly invest without having bigger ideas. So see that the stakes in, coin take stakes in, stock shows after activist investor run buy stakes in. See that it went out because if I would have known earlier, I would have probably make more money than this. You see that? But that's for next week, okay? Next week, I know this coin will probably have a chance to go up, so I'm gonna do another stock option on it. So think about it, you move $4 a day. So I know this potential that make to move $4 a day. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna probably put around. I'm not gonna do this. This is like a high. I'm trying to show you guys small accounts, so that's gonna require a lot of like potential. So I'm gonna go on software a stuff. It drops almost $1 today. So I'm gonna figure out software AG stocks. Why? I'm trying to figure out why it went down today. It went down because stand stock wavering strong. Okay, it went down. Figure out that I'm probably gonna do let me figure out the stocks that I probably have a chance to go up. It's $2 to you. It's my little bit of process so you guys can have a little idea. To you went up because this morning. Figure out why it went up. See, they have a strong result on the fourth quarter, so that means people gonna more likely buy it. So I'm gonna buy stock option on it, and you require 2 weeks from now, 14 days. So think about you move a day. So I'm probably gonna put around. I'm gonna put around. I can put $50, but you gotta figure out what's your risk to return. My risk to return is pretty not that much, so I'm probably not gonna trade this one. Figure out the risk to return. I'm gonna lose $50 just to make the highest I'm probably gonna make is like $68. I'm not gonna do that. Okay. Now you can go to other stocks right there. Let's go. Cagno. Figure out why it only went down 10 cents. Do not invest on this one, guys. Please do not invest on this thing less than $1. Please do not. I'm trying to show you guys, do not invest on this stock right there. So I'm gonna go to Robinhood AI. Every AI is doing good right now. So let me see the stock option. Figure out the risk to return. This is $30, and this is not. 14 days for the coin to go up, but that's a longer time for me to. Cause I'm trying to make at least $2,000 a week. So let's go right here. SkyWest. So it went down $3, and figure out why it went down. 10 people out there. Figure out why it went down. Do not blindly invest in it. SkyWest stocks. And why it went down, because the share dropped after a surprise swing to fourth quarter loss. So that's what I'm going to do. Let me see. It's not going to go up, so I'm going to put a puts on this one. The highest. Let me figure out what the highest it was been at, so I can have a bigger idea. The highest you can go. So the highest being is $21. So I could probably do a puts on it, or do a little puts on it real quick. Oh, that's a high. It's a high put, so I'm probably going to do around. So I'm probably going to do a call option on it, or I'm going to lose $10 again, and I'm probably going to make it around $200 to $300. So I'll do another stock options right there. And then next week, guys, I'm going to show you guys my result, okay? So you guys can, so I can prove you guys that it actually does work, and which one I'm going to go next for. So yeah, this is basically my little bit of way how I make $5,000 a day, okay? And I think I'll have to choose 2 stocks per day, okay? So if you got a 2 stock, don't forget you can actually trade 3 stocks per day. So that's probably 2 stocks per day, and then on Monday I'm gonna figure out the next stock to trade on Tuesday. So that's how I keep doing it every day. So hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you guys later, and peace out. Having a blessed day.